Hey, what's up, guys? This is Vishwas from Humorous Bangalore, and today we will be asking people about what do they think about legalization of gay marriage in India. All right, so here we go. Alright, we'll be asking these guys about what they think. Alright, so guys, what do you think about legalization of gay marriage in India? What is your opinion on gay marriage? Alright guys, what do you think about legalization of gay marriage in India?
It should be legalized. I guess they all have the rights. Everyone has the right to love.
I think they should be allowed to be the way they are, and they shouldn't get that legalized and stuff.
So Ronald, why do you gay people have red hair?
ಏನು ಸರ್?
ಗಂಡಸರು ಮದುವೆ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ US ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಆದರೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ?
ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಸರಿ ಅನಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಅದು ಹೇಳೋಕೆ ಒಂಥರ ಮುಜುಗರಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
But define homosexuality for me.
Homosexuality.
ಗಂಡ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಯಾಕೆ ಇರೋದು?
It should be done because I mean there is an end for everything, so we have to end this kind of narrow thinking or something like that.
Can you define homosexuality for me? That's okay. I want to know your opinion. I just want to know, what does a homosexual relation mean?
Getting married to the same sex.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. So do you think it's weird? Do you think it's good?
It's good.
It's good?
Everyone have their own choice, so let them live the life as they want. So it's good.
ಆಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಿಂದ ಅದು ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದ ರೀತಿನೇ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ.
So culture ಹೆಂಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ
ಹೊಸ್ದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಏನು ನಡೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ.
Alright, this question would be especially for you. So do you think a heterosexual relationship would be difficult than a homosexual one? You know, there is this old movie dialogue, ek aurat ka dard dusri aurat hi samajh sakti hai and all that.
I have not experienced.
Do you think a homosexual relationship would be an easier than a heterosexual one? Because, you know, people say boys can understand boys better, girls can understand girls better. Do you think it's the same?
It's nothing like that. It actually depends on the human mind, in fact. It's just...
The person who he marries depends on that guy, how he manages his relationship.
No, not at all. Are you looking forward for an experience in the future?
No, not at all.
Do you think a homosexual relationship would be a convenient one?
It depends. It depends on the individual. It depends.
What do you think?
Depends, yeah, like he said.
It depends on what?
It depends on many things, like how is your partner, how we perceive things. It depends upon our opinions, their opinions, how the society accepts it. So in India, the society plays a major role in that.
There's some other point of time of life, I guess you have to have a complement kind of relationship. I mean, a girl is the only person who can just complement your better half and form your better half.
I think it's not so easy as you think, because comparable to both, it is very difficult, and that's not part of what naturally they call it. Heterosexual is the
Heterosexual is kind of good.
Yeah.
Kind of good.
Doing it.
Alright. So do you guys have any gay friends?
No, not.
Would you be friends with gay?
Yeah, even they're humans, so naturally we would be friends with them.
Alright, great. That's great. Have you ever chosen to be gay?
No.
You never know, right? Today you are like that. So in the coming future, you never know. You might start liking someone, and there might be changes.
Time changes, so never mind.
So you're looking forward for that.
No, I don't think so.
No.
Being gay, people choose to be gay, or it's by birth? Is it the hormone stuff?
Actually, by birth they say, but I think it's a kind of atmosphere you have. Even that
Right.
might change you into
It changes on your
when
hormonal behavior.
When you are in a part of some boys' school or college, you in a hostel, that might also affect.
It's person's choice. I don't think so. It's a choice. It's something like a person is right-handed or left-handed. So it comes from inside. It's
So it's not like a left-handed person
something-
cannot become a right-handed one. So
No.
that's what you mean.
No, they can. You know, right? Trisha is left-handed, though. And you're forcing her to be right-handed. Shut up. Exactly.
So you guys can fight, you know. We're getting good footage, however. All right. All right.
I think yeah.
Never thought of that actually.
What do you think?
Maybe.
I think so, yes. Yes, even I think so. Yes.
Bangalore would be,
Yeah,
but then I don't
Bangalore,
think the other cities would.
But yeah, Bangalore maybe, but not India.
Looking at this, not so.